how to change name in Mobile Legends. In order to change your name in Mobile Legends, once you launch Mobile Legends game, tap on your avatar icon from the top left of the screen, as you can see right here, which is your profile avatar. When you do that, make sure you're under profile, and here you can see my current name. So what you have to do is tap on your current name, and here you can change your name for free for the first time. So this change requires spending rename card, which is free for the first time. But make sure that you don't enter any spelling mistake. Use a proper nickname or a username that you might want to have, and after you type in your name, just tap on the OK button, and for the first time it will be completely free, and then your name will be successfully changed on Mobile Legends. This way you can change name in Mobile Legends. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon as always in our next video.